In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to uninstall Dropbox from your computer, whether you're using Windows or Mac. If you've decided it's time to clear up some space, or you've simply moved on to other storage solutions, I'll guide you through this process step by step, ensuring you get it done with ease. Let's start with Windows. First, to ensure everything goes smoothly, you'll want to begin by closing the Dropbox application itself. Head over to the taskbar or system tray, which is usually at the bottom corner of your screen. Look for the Dropbox icon here. It's often a small blue box. Once you find it, give it a click, then navigate to your avatar or initials that should appear in the top right corner of the Dropbox window. From the drop-down menu that appears, select Quit to stop the application. This is an important step because it ensures that Dropbox is not running in the background while we proceed with the uninstallation process. Next, let's make our way to the Start menu. You can do this by clicking the Windows icon, usually at the bottom left corner of your screen. From there, head into Settings. Within Settings, look for and select Apps. You'll want to go into Apps and Features if you're using Windows 10 or 11. That's where we can manage the apps installed on our computer. Scroll through the list until you find Dropbox. Click on it, and an uninstall option will appear. Go ahead and click Uninstall and follow the prompts to complete the process. This will remove the Dropbox application from your machine. It's relatively straightforward, but if at any point you're prompted by the system, just confirm that you do wish to proceed with the uninstallation. Here's an optional tip for those of you who want to go the extra mile. If you also wish to delete the local Dropbox folder, which stores the files synced to your device, make sure first that your files are securely backed up or available in the cloud. You can do this by logging in online from another device or checking via Dropbox's web interface. Once you're sure, navigate to your user folder. This is typically found under something like C users/Dropbox. Once there, you can safely delete the folder, freeing up even more space on your computer. It's important to highlight that uninstalling Dropbox this way only removes the app from your computer. Your Dropbox account and all your files stored in the cloud remain intact and safe. This process simply ensures that the syncing client is no longer active on your local device. And there you have it, a quick and easy approach to uninstalling Dropbox. With these instructions, clearing up space and managing your tools becomes a hassle-free endeavor. Thank you for tuning in, and if you found this guide helpful, feel free to like or subscribe for more tips and tutorials.